Last class I have completed number 1, number 2, number 3 of exercise 5a. The chapter name is simultaneous linear equation, that is linear equation of two variables, from the book Innovative Math Book. Okay, Innovative Math Book. Okay, and you are belongs to class 8. I have already started the exercise number 1, 2, 3. I have completed. Today I am doing number 4. This question you have to, this question to equation given you have to solve for x and y by using substitution method or elimination method. See, I am doing this question by substitution method. From equation 1, I can find the value of x, that will be minus 3y by 2. See, from equation 1 I am getting the value of x, that will be minus 3y by 2. Now putting the value of x in equation 2, this equation right here, equation number 3. Putting the value of x in equation 2, what you will get? That is 3x means, x means here minus 3y by 2 plus 4y is equal to 5. Now this will be, LCM will be 2, minus 9y plus 8y is equal to 5. After that you will get minus y by 2 is equal to 5. Then finally you will get y is equal to minus 10. Now put the value of y in equation 3. Therefore x will be how much? Minus 3 by 2. Y is how much? Equal to minus 10. 2 5 is 10. Minus 3 minus it will be plus 15. This is the answer of number 4. The value of x is 15 and y value is 10. Let us go number 5 just to see. Number 5 question given. Writing the question number 5. 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y is equal to 25. Equation 1. And second equation given 5x minus 6y. 5x minus 6y is equal to minus 9. This is the second equation. This question I am doing by elimination method. For this elimination method you have to see equation 1, you have to multiply 3 to make it here 9x plus 12y, 25 3 75. Again equation 2 you have to multiply 2. This will be 10x minus 12y, this will be minus 18. To make equal number of y means 12y, this is 12y. The opposite sign means you have to add. The result will be, this is 19x and this side is 75 minus 18, it will be how much? 757. Therefore x will be how much? 19,357. Therefore x is equal to 3. Okay, x is equal to 3. Now putting the value of x in equation 1 means from equation 1, 3x plus 4y is equal to 25. That means 3, what is the value of x? That is 3 plus 4y is equal to 25. Therefore y will be how much? 9, you have to subtract 25 minus 9. That will come 16. 16 by 4 means 4. So y is equal to 4. In this way you are getting the value of x and y. The equation 1 from 1 and 2 of number 5 by solving elimination method. Okay. Let us go next number. Let's see. See the question number 6. Question given 6x minus 5y is equal to 11. 2x plus 3y is equal to 27. These two equations I am solving by any method you can apply, either substitution method or elimination. I am doing by elimination method. For this equation 1 you multiply 3, then it will be 18x minus 15y, 11 3 33. And equation 2 you have to multiply by 5. This will be 10x plus 5 3 15y to make equal number of y, and 25 into 27 into 5, it will how much? 5, 7, 35, 135. Okay, multiplying 5 with equation 2 and equation 1 with 3. Why I am multiplying? Because I have to eliminate y. Now opposite sign you have to add. Opposite sign, whenever you given opposite sign you have to add. This cancel out. 18x plus 10 is actually 28x, and this will, if you will add here, it will be how much? 168. Therefore x will be how much? 168 divided by 28. This will be how much? 168 divided by 28. Now divide, plain divide and tell the answer. Very fast you will tell. 168 divided by 28. The final answer you have to tell. What is the answer? 28. 6 is how much? The answer will be x equal to 6. X equal to 6. After that, putting the value of x in equation 1. From equation, I am putting equation 2. That means 2 into 6 plus 3y is equal to 27. Then this will be 3y, 27 minus 12. 3y is equal to, this will be 15. In this way you can get the value of y, that will be 15 by 3, that is 5. So what is the value of y? Y value is 5 and x value is 6. In this way I have solved number 6. Today I have completed 4, 5, 6. The 3 questions I have completed by the method, elimination method, and 1 by substitution method. Okay. Next I will continue the remaining. Thank you for today's class.